All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Pro Transmissions over in Athens. All right, so we're going to show y'all, I'm going to walk you through one of my digital vehicle inspections later. All right, so I'm not going to put her information out there, but it's a 2023 Kia Sportage. It has, hold on, I'm blocking the camera. It has right at 68,000 miles on it. She's gone 13,000 miles, 859, or sorry, 69 miles in between her oil change. What not to do? Yes, I'm looking right at you. What not to do?
What not to do?
All right, let's go look at the car real quick, guys. All right, here we go. So I got my floor mat and protective cover. Gonna go out and get it. It's a good looking car. I felt stupid. I didn't remember how to start this damn thing. And guys, you can see how far over she was. Look, 60,750 is what we told her to do it at. And she's at 68,619. Alright, I always put my window, at least my driver's side window down so I don't lock the keys inside the car. I'm go ahead and shut her off. So this one is getting a full VG premium package, which I'll show you what that is. So that is this. It is an engine flush, fuel system additive, and an MOA for the oil. So the engine flush, you gotta let it run for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop my hood. I'm gonna add this, let it run while I start my inspection. Basically, you're saving a little bit of time there. That's in there. So we're gonna turn it back on and let it run. And we're gonna set the timer. It's 10:57, so 11:15. So here's how I do my inspection. I go to my customer's car, I open up my Shopmonkey app. I find my ticket. I'm gonna add my inspection. I'm gonna go to the multi-point and we start. So, alright, so I always take a picture to show that I filled it, just so the customer sees that. Checked in there. Alright, what are we at? It's only been a minute, so I still don't have time, so we're gonna go ahead and set up the rack. This one has pinch welds, so we're gonna go on the pinch welds. And guys, yes, I was giving her hell. So that's my sister-in-law. Ooh, that's no bueno. Looks like somebody got hungry there. All right, do a little shake test. So while it's running, we're gonna finish up the whole inspection real quick. Alright, so we gotta check these tires out, which, holy shit. Ma'am, you need some tires. These are slicker than a baby's butt. Oh, another tire. Looks good. We're also gonna get the size on there first. Ooh, hitting the curb damage right there. Somebody needs to lay off the curbs. So we're gonna mark that as red because she's no bueno. Oh, what do you know? I got some more tires that are slicker than a baby's butt. And this one's semi. I'm recording right now. Alright, we're gonna take a picture of our struts. That one looks pretty good there. Alright, so we're done. I'm just a little bit over, so we're gonna cut it off. And I'm gonna finish my inspection real quick. So, pull it open. Check our air filter. This one's tough. And she is bad. Okay, so air filter, I'm gonna put in red. Camera. And then cabin filter needs to be done once a year. I always like to do the cabin filters at the same time as the air filter. And put that back in until the customer buys. And check the battery. Where is my... Ty, do you have the battery tester? You put it back. No, it's Ty.
Yeah.
Oh, you put it back. We're gonna check our battery. It would work if I can get it on there. 760 co-cranking amps. So battery test, regular flooded. Actually no, it's an AGM battery, sorry. AGM, co-cranking amps, 760. Battery test. Good battery. Our terminals look good, so I'm gonna take a picture of that and show the customer. And then battery hold down, we're good. Brake fluid, that's part of the 60K. And I'm gonna take a picture of it. Forgot. This is not a manual. What else do I have left? Belt. Forgot about my belt. So, get in here and look. Belt looks good. Take a picture of it for the customer. And we didn't check the brakes. I did check the parking brake, but we didn't check the brakes because it didn't pull the tires off. I did check. All right, so make sure we got everything on here that we were supposed to check, and we'll reset that. Yes. So we're gonna hit complete. Those are the 4 items that we didn't do because we did not inspect. And that's it, guys. That's how you do an inspection. Everybody does inspections differently. Don't get me wrong, but that's the way we've done them. And I'm gonna walk out through how we discuss this with the customer and price this out. All right, so most of this quote I've already got worked up, but I gotta add one thing to here. We're gonna add the air filter on here and cabin filter. So we're gonna add an add. And then we're gonna find our parts. Add that there, air filter there, and cabin filter there. We gotta make sure our ticket is right. I don't charge a labor for air filters, and that is actually highway robbery on that. And then I'm gonna take that off and that off. And there's that. Okay. So we're gonna put this in customer view. All right, Ms. Hill, you ready to go over your inspection?
Yes.
All right, so this is your Kia.
Okay.
Remember we discussed last time you were overdue, you were getting ready for your 60K. Well, now you're overdue for it. So you need a cooling service. Your cooling hoses look good on it. Your belt looks good on it. Your transmission's overdue for service. I know we've already discussed it once, but your oil change was way, way overdue. This is your air filter. She's not really breathing. It's dirty.
Okay.
So technicians recommend to replace the air filter.
Okay.
Cabin filter needs to be done once a year, sorry, so it's recommended at the same time as the air filter.
Yeah.
Brake fluid is also part of your 60K. You don't have a manual, so there's no fluid there. We topped off your washer fluid. Your battery health is good.
Oh, that's fancy.
Terminals will still look good and clean. There's no corrosion buildup or anything like that on them. Battery hold down is good. You have electric power steering, so you don't have any power steering fluid, so there's nothing to worry about there. Wiper blades still look good. All your lights are working. Turn signals, brake lights, tag lights, which is the #1 reason why people get pulled over is because the tag light's out.
Wait, really?
Yep. And that's both your tag lights are working. You can see that there. They're both working.
I didn't even know there was lights there. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay. Heating and AC works. Of course, you got to have AC in the summertime because it gets hot in molasses here in Atlanta. All your mounts are good. I did not check your brakes, but I will walk you through why in just a second.
Okay. Because of that.
Yes. So this is the best of all 4 tires.
Wait, so what is it supposed to, like the thick, deeper, like the outside almost?
Essentially, yes. So this is what's called a wear bar. Okay, so when they get down to this wear bar, it's mandated or recommended to replace them.
Okay.
You're past the wear bar on this one. And then this one is right at the wear bar.
Okay.
Then your back tires are slicker than a baby's butt. This one has almost literally no tread left.
Yeah.
So
okay, yes.
You need tire replacement. I can't pull these tires off because then we would be the last ones responsible for it. So that's why I couldn't check your brakes. But
yeah.
if you decide to do tires today, we can get your brakes checked at that time.
Okay.
Your front and rear suspension, your shocks and struts look good.
That means I haven't been hitting curbs, right?
So the curbs is your wheels. So I take that back. You hit a curb there.
Yeah.
So
wait, I'm surprised I didn't pop.
Bust.
Look at that line.
Yes. So
I've been lucky.
That's from hitting the curb right there. Your suspension is more so going over bumps, speed bumps, and going over potholes and all that a lot. So that's what that is.
So I've been doing good. That's good.
Yes. Your CV axles, which is essentially what pushed the car, that's what they go connect to your transmission. They've got boots right here. These still look good. They're in good shape. Sway bar links look good as well. They're right here. They're right here. They still look good. Your ball joints, which are part of your suspension, the boots still look good. And there's no wear on the bushings themselves. Your exhaust still looks good. You don't have any dash warning lights, surprisingly, with being that far overdue twice in a row. But again,
I'm just built different.
Okay. For the millionth time, you're overdue for your 60K. So as far as services that are recommended, like what we talked earlier.
Yeah.
This is everything that the technician is recommending on there.
Okay.
Air filter, cabin filter, doing alignment with the tires, transmission service, brake service, fuel service, coolant flush, and a set of 4 tires.
Yes.
All in all,
So the bulk of that's the tires.
correct. The biggest bulk of it is the tires, because we priced you out a set of Michelin's, which is exactly what you have on there now.
Yeah.
They're top of the line, best riding tires, like you're riding on clouds essentially.
Okay.
The Michelin's themselves come with a 50 or 55,000 mile warranty on them.
Okay.
And would come with a lifetime rotating balance on them as well. But out the door for if you just said, Danny, let's do it all. With the air filter and the cabin filter, you'd be looking at $25.60 and 82 cents. Is that something you want to get done today?
Yeah.
Okay.